Did you listen to it? Did you shake it?
Yeah.
So is anybody in there?
Yeah. Anybody in there? Yeah.
Ooh, what is that?
Elf on the Shelf movie.
Oh, wow. That tells us the story. What else is in here? Is the elf in here? Ooh, wow. Some lovely cozy pants to wear. Wow. Cozy cozies. Catherine, look, a pair for you. Oh, pretty heart. Look at that. What's in there? Oh, look at these. What's in there? What are in there? I think there's a pair of shoes for one of you. And more shoes. These are little ones for Catherine.
Look at these.
What's in there?
Those are amazing.
That's yours. Oh, my. What is that?
Oh.
Jelly bean.
Oh. Let's see what's in yours, Catherine. Look. Oh, ornaments. We can put these on our tree. Oh, yummy, yum. Grandma knows what you guys like. Yum, yum, yum. Let's see this, Helena.